Sequester is a verb. That means to isolate, separate, or remove something or someone, often for a specific purpose. It can also refer to the act of taking legal possession of assets until a dispute is resolved. Origins: the word comes from the Latin sequestrare, meaning to set aside or to remove. Initially used in legal contexts, it later expanded to general use, referring to separation or isolation. Explanation and usage: sequester is often used in contexts where someone or something is deliberately set apart, whether for privacy, legal reasons, or environmental purposes. Example sentences: the jury was sequestered to prevent outside influence during the trial. She decided to sequester herself in the cabin to focus on her writing. Fellow synonyms and related words: isolate, to set apart from others; seclude, to keep away from social interactions; quarantine, to restrict movement to prevent the spread of something. Antonyms: integrate, to combine into a whole; unite, to bring together; include, to make part of a group or activity. Key takeaway: sequester conveys a sense of deliberate separation, often to protect, preserve, or maintain focus, whether in legal, personal, or environmental contexts.